In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a back post double crochet. So what you see right here is how regular double crochets look when working in the stitch, which would be right on top of the double crochets here. So that's what it would look like if you were going to be working regular double crochets working in the stitch. But we're going to be working around the posts. These are the posts here, which is right underneath the stitch. And we're going to be doing a back post double crochet in this video. So the way that you do that is you're going to yarn over your hook, and instead of going in the stitch, you're going to bring your hook around behind your work and push your hook to the front, going in between these posts. Then you're going to push your hook through the other side of that post. And what you've done is you've just pushed the post to the back of your work, hence the name back post double crochet. You're going to yarn over your hook and pull it right through to pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over and pull through the next two. Let's do another one. Yarn over your hook, push your hook around the back of your work and push it in between those two posts. Push this post behind and let your hook come through the other side. Yarn over, pull it right through to pull up a loop. You now have got your 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over and pull through the last two. And that's how you do a back post double crochet. Please have a look at the links in the description below for lots of other crochet stitch tutorials, as well as a whole bunch of free crochet patterns, many of which come with full project video tutorials.